Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the cooling fan clutch on BMW E46, 320D and 330D. In order to get access to the cooling fan clutch, first we need to remove this engine cover. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the engine cover is removed, we can see where the cooling fan clutch is. We can see how it is. It's held onto a bolt. Both of them are size 32 inch. We need two size 32 inches to remove the cooling fan clutch. But first we're going to make more space by removing this air intake pipe. Now I've put on the two wrenches and I'm going to turn the wrench clockwise until it gets loose. The thread on the cooling fan clutch is reversed, so in order to get the cooling fan clutch loose, we need to turn it clockwise. To tighten it afterwards, we need to turn it anti-clockwise, so the reverse way. Now that we got the cooling fan clutch loose, now we can just turn the fan and until we remove the clutch. And that's the cooling fan clutch off. Next we need to remove this cooling fan diffuser, and then we're going to remove the cooling fan along with the diffuser. The diffuser is held by one bolt on this side and a plastic clip on the other side. On different cars might not be a plastic clip, might be a bolt, but procedure is similar. Now that we removed the bolt, we can take out the diffuser along with the cooling fan. And that's the cooling fan clutch out. When putting the cooling fan clutch back on the car, we need to put it back in there and turn it anti-clockwise until the nut goes all the way. And when it goes in all the way, then we need two wrenches size 32 to tighten it completely. That's about as tight as it can get by hand. Now we can tighten it completely with two wrenches. And that's it, we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.